Okay, I got my little tow rig here. I'm going to be taking my Granite and my little fly haul FC650. That'll be my little camera car that I can move around like a dolly. All right, let's get her going. Head for our destination. No need to carry these cars. Already got a backpack on me, and why carry them? Haul them to your destination. As long as you leave enough battery when you come back, so you don't have to carry them coming back either. Whoa! Better fix my toe. All right, we're all secure again and ready to go. Want to go that way? Don't want to go this way. Close. Oh, we're here. We're here. Yay. Oh, totally blew out this tire. I think my driving's over for now. Fudge. Didn't take much to blow that out, did it? Well, we'll see if it'll limp on home. Yeah, it's a good little car, but because when you upgrade, you even need to upgrade the tires. All right, let me get some rear footage of this other camera driving this car around, maybe. Okay, I'm back from a real short run. I blew out the tire on the Granite right out of the hole when I just started running it. Upgrading the ESC and motor, I guess I should upgrade the tires too at the same time. So what I did is just because I like them, I got the same that I have on my Typhon, the Proline trenchers. I don't think these are the belted ones, but these don't really balloon that bad even if they're not the belted ones. The newer belted ones are probably really nice. I also noticed something on the trenchers. These are 6-hole. So I ordered some 17 millimeter because I'm converting this over to 17 millimeter, and these are 8. Take 8 bolts. So I need the ones for 6. So I have to reorder those. I had to order some bunch of junk to be able to put the trenchers on this. But anyways, it'll be a lot nicer. And then something else that was real annoying was the battery kept flying out of the Granite. It's just constantly coming out of the Granite. These little straps here, I don't really like them. They don't really hold the battery in that well, They're just not very good. So I went ahead and made myself, since I got decals and stuff, I made it look real professional, put Proline on there. I don't know if you could see that very well, but anyways, maybe I'll tilt it for you. I don't know. Anyways, it's just a piece of aluminum stock that I had. I had large thumb screws. They work though. They're easy to get your fingers on and get them on and off. They hold the battery and they're super tight, super tight. There's 2 holes in the granite body that you can use to put posts in to hold the battery in. So anyways, the battery is never going to fly out again. The motor's powerful. The tires hopefully will hold up, and I'll be able to get some really good runs in. And it's nice to keep the straps in because then you've got wire management. You can just use the straps for that, and have your wires not flopping around. So that's nice. Anyways, yeah, and you can slop them in there just perfect. Okay, so moving on. This one's going to be really dynamite when I'm done. This one, I didn't like the wiring going back and forth on the lights, so this is the Sunfire. I got the cheapest receiver box that I could possibly find. It's a waterproof one. I'll leave a link in the description of which one it is. But that enabled me to not only take my receiver off the top of the servo, because it was just glued onto the servo, and move it up onto the center rail and put it in a box. That made it kind of nice, I guess. And it gave me a place to put my 2 cab lights on the inside. I just got those in, and it gave me a place to make my splice for my lights. So, it came out really good. This one is kind of loud. I'll turn it on, but the fan seems to always be running on it. So that's what it looks like. And then, it's got the back lights, of course, and then the front lights. But, yeah, okay, so the body, I had to modify it. I had to cut a hole through it just to take in this receiver box because I didn't feel like redoing everything again. And I didn't really care about the body, so, next time I'll do something different. But it doesn't look that bad, it just looks like a little motor sticking up through there, Kind of cool looking, really. Yeah, and the lights in the cab, they look pretty cool too. I think if you get the right perspective, probably. I don't know. Yeah, they look like they are made to be in there, Anyways, yeah, that came out good. Both those came out good, so I'm real happy with them. Get the light on them and you can see them better. Turn this puppy off because he's kind of loud. Anyways, yeah, good. I'm happy. So what else do I have to do? Nothing really. Just have to. I just have to wait for those inserts. I've got, I don't know what they were called, Badland or whatever brand of 17 millimeter adapters I got for this. They're good ones. They're real expensive, and even the wrench for them is expensive. It's like $17 for the wrench just to tighten them. And I've got really good tools, and I just figured it was shaped perfectly for the nut that goes on the 17 millimeter hexes for the granite. So that ought to work out perfect. And these trenchers are pretty much the same size as the original granite tires. You know, they're pretty much the same size, height and width and stuff. You know, the granite tire is maybe a little more rounded and super soft compared to the Pro lines. You know, these are hard, man. And I didn't see them ballooning up that bad. Not like these do. These things balloon up like a kid's birthday cake balloon. I'm sorry, whatever. I'm rambling. Anyways, my cars are doing good, and I'll be running them once I get them up and going again. All right, I'll be signing off. Enough jibber jabber.